Today, I am reviewing the Alen 35i HEPA Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I've spent the last 3 weeks living with the Alen 35i in my main living space, and I have some very clear thoughts on whether this is actually worth the premium price tag. If you are looking for an air purifier that does the job without turning your living room into a wind tunnel, you've probably come across this model, and there's a lot to unpack here regarding its real-world performance. You can check the links below the video to explore the product or find its current pricing if you want to see if it fits your budget. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice about the 35i is the build quality. It feels substantial, and the design is clean enough that it does not look like an eyesore in the corner of a room. Setting it up was a breeze, which is a relief because some of these smart units can be a nightmare to pair with home networks. The filtration is where Alen really hangs its hat, specifically with this H13 HEPA filter. During my time testing it, I intentionally cooked some particularly pungent meals in the kitchen, and I was genuinely impressed by how quickly the odor neutralization kicked in. It does not just mask smells with a fragrance, it actually pulls the particles out of the air. If you have pets or a teenager's room that needs some help, the odor neutralizing capability here is a massive selling point that actually holds up under pressure. However, let's talk about the SmartSensor. This is one of those features that sounds great on the box but can be hit or miss in practice. In my tests, the sensor was very responsive to sudden changes, like when I started vacuuming nearby or opened a window on a dusty day, but it can be a bit sensitive. Sometimes it would ramp up the fan speed for a minor fluctuation that I did not even notice, which can be a little annoying if you are trying to watch a movie. The biggest disappointment for me was the filter replacement cost. While the H13 filter is fantastic at what it does, you are locked into their proprietary filters, and they're not exactly cheap. You are paying for the quality, and that is a recurring cost you need to factor into your long-term decision. If you're looking for a dirt-cheap maintenance experience, you might find the filter prices a bit of a sting. Ultimately, the Alen 35i is for the person who values reliability and quiet, consistent performance over gimmicks. It is perfect for large spaces where you need reliable circulation without the constant distraction of mechanical noise. It feels like a piece of equipment that is built to last for several years, rather than something you will be replacing in 18 months. The smart features are helpful, the air quality improvement is noticeable, and it is easily one of the most pleasant units I have used in terms of sound design. If you think this might be the right fit for your home, remember you can check the links below the video to see the current pricing and more technical details. Overall, it is a solid, honest performer that delivers on its core promises, even if it does ask for a bit of an investment up front.